Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Ricky2365. My name is Rick, her name is Jean, and this is our channel, guys. And today we're gonna be putting on the RZR XP Pro Premium from Windshield from Polaris. So I went to the ride now in Tucson, Arizona, and for $225 I bought the I think it's half windshield or short windshield. Anyway, you're gonna see it. So it came in this box right here. This is the box, and then looks like there's some cool stuff right there. Hopefully we enjoy it. We're just gonna do the mounting part, and you're gonna get to see it. Okay? Oh wow! Wow, this is epic. This is the best that you can get for Polaris. So the good thing about buying the Polaris brand is that this frame right here, or this plastic, is just very sharp, very nice, and it's just gonna fit perfectly in the Polaris. The other thing is that these little clamps right here are gonna be the ones that are going to be securing the windshield in place. So it's pretty good. I love it. I'm very happy that we have this two-fac, that AR kind of. It's like a tape just to protect the windshield from getting scratched. So, all right, Titi, you ready?
Yep.
Go over there. It's not that difficult, Mama.
No?
No, just go over there. Hold it.
Well, we have to unscrew this.
Huh?
Saying, we have to unscrew this.
I don't think we have to unscrew this. Do we?
Yeah. It says we have to.
It says we. That one. Okay, so the first thing we did is we're going to. One second, sorry. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this out of here. Already unscrew the two screws out of here. So it comes this way. And then you see all this dirt. I have to clean this. So not today, but we're gonna have to clean it. It's out. Now we're gonna. Second step is to following the instruction, guys. Is to. This little thing right here, to back, and we're going to, yeah. So I think this is probably the best windshield out there, and I love the clear. It's only $220. One tip, guys. One tip about this windshield is that you do not want to clean this when it's dirty with a rag. You want to put water on it. Always want to put water. Don't ever use a rag by itself. Always put water and then clean it, okay? Because if you clean it while it's dirty, you're just gonna scratch the hell out of this windshield. So anyway, guys, Jean, you want to do the honors? Take off the plastic. That is so delicious. Go ahead. The one on the inside. Here you got it, guys. And here you got it, guys. This is the windshield for the Polaris RZR XP Pro Premium.